this video, I'm going to show you how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Facebook on your device. Now head over to the menu section, and in here go ahead and scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, go ahead and click on settings, and that will take you to the settings page of Facebook. So just go ahead and click on settings. Now on the settings page, go ahead and scroll down and look for how people find and contact you. Under that, go ahead and set that who can see your friends list to only me. Setting this to only me will allow you to keep your friends list private from everyone on Facebook. Note that Facebook doesn't have an option for you to hide only the mutual friends that you have with a specific user or different Facebook users on the platform. The only option that you have to be able to friends list private is to also keep your friends list private on Facebook. And that is how you can simply hide mutual friends on Facebook.